Today we are going to discuss an attendance sheet relevant to students in Microsoft Excel. How to prepare an attendance sheet, an automated attendance sheet that calculates the attendance at the end of the month. For that purpose, I will title it attendance sheet. Now, student attendance is calculated on the basis of month. For the month of, okay, like I have prepared it already here, you can see, but it is for employees. Now I'm going to prepare it for students. Now the third column will be student record. In this column I will give here, the first field will be roll number, second field will be the name of student, third field will be class, and fourth will be the time. There may be section also. Okay, this is the record of student that we are going to calculate the attendance for which. Now for roll numbers, I am going to type for example 100 is my first roll number, 101 is my second roll number, and I am going to drag it down this way. As you already know it, I'll select it and drag it from the corner and take it to up to 50 cells. For example, there are 50 students for me here. Now I want the names of students. I have not much time to type the names, so I'm going to copy the names from this file. I have already prepared the name list of students, so this is my name list. I'm going to clear its formats and make it normal. Now the classes, for example, we say DIT, and we have DIT part 1, and we say that 25 students belong to DIT part 1. Oh damn it, Excel is giving us the wrong list, so I have copied it, and now I'll take it downward this way and then I'll paste it. You can see that is now done correctly. Now I say the first class is at 9 a.m. and there are only this much students. Now Excel is giving me the wrong time again. I will copy the time and paste it over there. The second class is at 4 p.m. and I'm going to copy it and I'll paste it below. Okay, now I say that the second class of DIT is DIT part 2. All the remaining 25 students belong to DIT part 2. So Excel is using list property by itself. I don't need it, so I will paste the data. Now the time for DIT part 2 is, for example, I say the first class is at 11 a.m. in the morning, and I'm going to copy it. I say that these are the students that take class at 11 a.m. Now the second class is at 3 p.m. in the evening, so I'm going to paste the time of remaining students at 3 p.m. Now this is the record of student. Okay, now what do I need? I need something like the name of days, the dates of the month. Okay, for that purpose I will do something like that. You can see that here the name of days are written, above the dates are written. Okay, for that purpose I'll go over there. And now this month, this is October, and it starts from 1 to 31. First of all, I will type 1 here, then I'll type 2 here, and now we are going to select both of them and we are taking it away up to 31. There are 31 days in October. Now I don't need this cell to be much larger. I need it in a smaller width. So I'm going to select all of these cells that contain days, and I'll go to format column width. This column width is by default 8.43. I will make it 4 points. Now you can see that the size of my column is changed. Okay. Now uh, on the 1st of October 2023 there was Sunday. Okay. Now I'll type the name of day, Sunday. Next was Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, then there was Thursday, Friday, Saturday. As this sequence will continue, I'll copy it and paste it till the next 3 weeks. You can see that the last day will be Tuesday. Okay, this is the firstmost pattern. Now here I will type month of October 2023. Okay, this was attendance sheet. So the first I'm at first I'll select the title of attendance sheet from here, and I'll select all of these cells. I'll go to home menu and click merge and center. Merge and center. Now I have merged it. I'm going to increase its size as much as I want. I think this is okay. I'm going to apply a font style, that is this one. I'm going to apply a highlight color, that will be black. I'm going to apply the font color, that will be white. Okay. Now for the month of must be larger in size. This should also be merged. So I'm making it size of 16. I'll use the same font for it, but the formatting will be different. Now I'm going to prepare this in this color as a background, and the text will be white. And name of the month, to select this one, margin center. Now it is in the center of the cell. Now it will be also in the font of 16 points. It will have the same font style, but it will have a different background. Now I'm going to apply this background, and I'm going to give the font color to be white. It's okay. Now I need this should be merged also, and it must have same formatting as the above one, and its size must be 16 points. The font style may be the same that I was using for the whole file. Okay, now I'm going to select this one also, and I'm going to make it bold only. I'm going to apply the formatting font of white color, and background must be black, and this must be in the center of the cell. Okay, now it looks much better. Now this is the top heading. It should be bold, it should be 12 in size, and it should have same font that I was using on my file. and its color must be the same as a color of my title. Okay, now I'm going to select these cells also, and we are going to make them like this one. So I'm going to choose the background color, green. I'm going to choose the text color. If we make it bold, it looks much better, much beautiful. That's okay. Okay. Now, what will be the next move here? The next move here will be we'll write summary. The word summary, where we will apply the formulas or calculations. Okay. Now, in this summary cell, we say that the status must be present, absent, uh, leave, short leave, medical leave, and with respect to students, we have these, and there may be national holiday. Okay, and what else there should be? I think these are the leaves. Islamic holiday, though we have not discussed about Islamic holiday. ISL H. I'm giving it a short name. Okay. Now here for present I will use the word P, capital P. For absent I will use the only word A, and for leave I'll use L. For short leave I'll use SL. This is okay. For medical leave I'll use ML. For national holiday I'll use NH. It's okay. For Islamic leave I'll use IL. Okay. These short names will be used when we will calculate the number of days. Now I say that what else should be here? I think it's enough. It should be here. Okay. Now we'll select all this stuff and merge it to the center. Take the data to the center of the cell, and we will apply the formatting here also. And we are going to make it larger in size. We are going to apply a font of our choice over here. Now I'm going to select this one also, and we are going to apply background for this. We are going to apply the text color. We are going to make it bold, and finally I will select these cells. For these cells I'll choose the white color, and I'll make it black background, and we are going to place the data in the center of the cells. It looks now better. Now we have to apply the calculations only. We have to put some data over here. For example, Sunday is, what is Sunday? Sunday is leave. Okay. Monday, we say this person was present on Monday. Tuesday, he was present. Wednesday, he was present. On Thursday, he took the short leave. On Friday, he was absent. On Saturday, he was present. Now on Saturday, there is a leave. We say Monday was national holiday. Okay. On Tuesday, we say this person was present. Wednesday it was he was present, absent, and then we say present, and again present, and on Monday, oh sorry, Sunday is a leave. On Monday he was present. On Tuesday he was present. On Thursday, Wednesday he was present. On Thursday he was on leave, and on Friday he was present. On Saturday he was present. On Sunday it's a leave. On Monday, present, present, present. Sick leave, sick leave. We did not discuss the sick leaves. Okay, this is sick leave. On Friday he was present. On Saturday he was present. On Sunday it was a leave. On Monday it was Islamic holiday. What was the title of it? IL. I'm going to give the title of it, and on Thursday he was present. Now I put the whole record in the table for the first student only. Remaining for remaining you will paste the record by yourself. Now What to do here? What to do here? We'll apply only a single formula, only one formula in this sheet. Only one formula. I want to count all the presents. So look here carefully and understand the formula. Is equal to SUM, sum, IFS, sum, ifs, sum ifs, bracket start, and now it is asking me which range you are going to sum. Which range you are going to sum. I'm going to sum this range. I'm going to select all the cells that contain attendance. Okay, from the first to 31. Now come back to the formula, comma. It is asking me about the criteria. My criteria is P, present. Okay, I will count only present. Now I'm going to close the bracket. Is equal to sum if. First of all, I provide the range. Secondly, I provide the criteria. Now I'll press enter. What is happening here? I'll press enter and oh no, it's wrong. There is something wrong with my formula. I'm going to give the criteria as double quotes and I'm going to type P here for present. No, it's not counting. There is some error in my formula. What is the error in my formula? Let's look at it. Is equal to count if. Sorry, that was not sum if. Okay. Count counts the number of presents. So I'm going to remove the formula again and I'm going to apply count if formula for it. Now look at the formula intently. Is equal to count if bracket start, provide the range. This is my range. And now come back to the formula, comma, provide the criteria. I'm going to count present, so I will select the cell number of present. Okay. Now we'll just press enter and Excel will do the rest of work. You have seen that there was how much present? 18. Now we'll just copy the formula and paste it over here. We'll only change this cell number and press enter. Oh, it is giving us a mistake. Why? Now there must be count of absence. So I'm going to select the cell number of absent. He was absent 3 times. Okay. Now I'll paste again and now we'll count the formula for leaves. How much leaves was there in month? There was 6 leaves. Now I'll paste the formula and I'm going to change the criteria of it to be sick leave. He was on sick leave for 2 days. Okay. And now I'm going to change the formula for medical leave. I'm going to select ML. He was not on medical leave for this month. Finally, I'll paste it here and I'll count the national holidays. I think I provided one national holiday in my record. So it is telling me that you have one national holiday. Islamic leave. Now I'll take the criteria and to IL. Now you can see that Excel has calculated the record of attendance for me. This is how you can create an attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel for students. Okay, this was your first record for students. In the next class, we'll discuss about the attendance sheet of employees. There is a bit different between the attendance sheet of students and attendance sheet of employees. That will be discussed later on in the next class.